stresses me out.
Clean up the mess.
Yeah, I make pepper.
Mommy, take. Ooh.
It was bigger.
That one does have a bar in there.
Ah!
Can we help?
Yeah. Grab a chair.
Good job.
Yeah, that was good. Good job, man. Let me see that. Hit it one more time. Oh, good job. Good job. Yeah, that was good. That was good.
You want to stir too?
You want to stir it? Okay. Come on, have some.
Put it down.
I don't want it.
I'm watching.
Advice to mommy.
Oh, Lord. What? All right, y'all, come eat. Notice that one?